Assalamu alaikum Shabab. So this is the review. This is already shared on the Microsoft Teams. I'm looking at the large ethane, large 2 file. The graph of triangle ABC and its image is given in the line y sawi minus 5. So y equals minus 5 will be, if I look at this, it will be horizontal line or vertical line. Horizontal yani like this, vertical yani like this. Oh, wait, I have a better idea. So Shubham, my question to you was, why Sawi Salivithane? Is it a horizontal line or vertical line? Who can answer that? Vertical, Asant. So why Sawi Salib? Good try, whoever said that. But why Sawi minus 2 yani? The height is minus 2. Because this is y. And x Sawi Salivithane yani like this. So y Sawi Salivithane will be a horizontal line. And x Sawi Salivithane will be a vertical line. It's very important to understand this. It's like y-axis. So y-axis, you know, if something is y, Sawi something, you always have a horizontal line. So if this is minus 2, this is Mariah. If I make the image, that should be like this. That should be something like this. Tamam. Then x is Sawi Talata. So that one is 1, 2, 3. Right here. This is Mariah. If that is the mirror, then this part will go 2 points here. This part will go 1, 2, 3, 4 points there. And this part will come 1 point here. So you just join them now. So this will be C dash, this will be B dash, and this will be A dash. Wait. This point, yeah, this point will be C dash, this point will be A dash. Any questions in this, Shubham? This is about reflection. Reflection yani when you have a Mariah, you can have many kinds of reflection. So main point here is reflection. Yani when you have mirror. That is easy. I think you might get a question like this. Should get a question like this. Sometimes if you have to draw yourself, yani mital this question, for example. So you draw, they will give you graph, they will give you like this. So you draw 0 4 سالب 3 4 أول رقم x ثاني رقم y. So 0 4 يعني 0 x and 4 y. سالب 3 x and 4 y. سالب 4 x and سالب 1 y. So this should look like this. I mean, let's make it ABC so that there is no confusion. So this is A, this is B, this is C. Now, if we reflect it across y-axis, yani this is the mirror. So obviously now I hope this should be easier for you. This will be reflected here. This point will be reflected here. And this point will be reflected here. Yani it's just tahat fog tahat. So this is C dash, this is B dash, this is A dash. Dash yani image. Any questions about this clear? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
no.
Mr. Continue, no problem.
Sultan. Thank you.
Yes.
At least someone is not sleeping. Rishbab, you have imtihan. Please, if you are, see, again, I will tell you the same thing. If you are here, try to learn something.
مستر يا اخي مراجعة في الجمعة يا اخي ايش هذا؟
أنا فهمت, but it's Juma for me also, same thing. I have kids inside playing, but I'm still taking class. So, how شوية. Maybe something will come on imtihan, same, like similar. So, let's try. Okay. This one is reflection across x-axis. So now you can try this later. Because if I solve every question, this is same, you can try. When you say quadrilateral, Shubha, quadrilateral yani 4, arba, yani it will be something like this, or something like this, you know, quadrilateral. Okay, this is all reflection. Now, again, this is reflection. So try, this is reflection. This is reflection, but this is sure different. So let me show you this one. Metal. If you remember, I told you before, y sawi x is the maraya. So y sawi x yani this. So if you have a point here, it will be reflected here. And if this point is ashra wahad, Opa. Very good job. Dagiga Shbab. Someone muted me. Much better. So, Shabab, I was saying, this is different. Now you have y sawi x. So that is this line. Now, how will the reflection, the point here is 10, 1. What will be this point? يعني واحد عشرة عشرة واحد سالب واحد عشرة سالب واحد سالب عشرة سالب عشرة سالب واحد like this. Anyone?
110 مستر.
Very good. يعني واحد يمين 10 فوق 110. So this is just an example. يعني if you have a point AB, that is simply becoming BA. Flip. You see Ashra here, Wahad here. So we will use the same thing, and I can actually solve it without drawing. If I want to write A dash, that will be Wahad Sare Thalatha. If I want to write B dash, that will be Khamsa Wahid. If I want to write C, that is Sifr Sawa. If I want to write any other point, just flip XY by X. Change. So that's how you can simplify things. Now, what is this reflection? So the maraya should be Wahad, Itnain, Talata, Arba. So the mirror has to be here. This point, it should be X Sawi Wahad. Because it's Yumin Wahad. So all these questions are same. You can try them. Same here. You will reflect this across this. So just change. Now, so I hope this is done. Now translation. I told you if you have Mital Salib Ithnain yani Tahat. Zaid Talata yani sorry not Tahat because it's X. Y plus 3 yani fog. Y yani Tahat fog. X minus 2 yani. So if X is Khamsa nagis itnain yani Talata. So X is Khamsa. Now it is Talata yani it moves Hisar. So this is not function, this is points. So nagis yani Hisar. So you will use similarly, like if I do this here, X Salib itnain yani every point goes Tahat itnain. Hisar itnain. Zayat Talata yani it goes. So this is 1 minute. This is left. And now it goes fog. يعني 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So this triangle will be here. So there were two parts of it. Hisar Ithnain, fog, Talata. Based on this. This is called translation. Oh. This is called translation. Translation yani Hisar, you mean fog, Tahat. So this is X minus 2, this is X plus 2. This is Y plus 2, Mital, this is Y minus 2. So all these questions will be same now. You see 6 points down and 5 to the right. Sitta tahat, khamsa, this. Yani you will do, this is Y, so you will do Y minus 6 and this is X, you will do X plus 5. So awal rakam Zayat khamsa, Tani rakam Nagis sitta. I should have done it here. So all questions, like I said, same. So you can try all this. Then we are going for rotation. I already explained you rotation. Now Mital 90 degree, it is going. So this rotation, DEF is the rotation, yani it's going like this. This is 90 degree. So you can see here, this angle would be 90. So 90 degree clockwise. Here it is rotated 90 degree clockwise. Yani I'll just draw this. So this triangle across the origin 90 degree clockwise. Clockwise yani like this. 90 degree yani tisane. Origin यानी 0 0. So we are looking at this is x and y origin, and this will go. They have not drawn it. You can see now maybe x and y better. So they are rotating this. So this you can assume tisane. Same way here. If I rotate, it will be somewhere here. And if I rotate the third point, it will be somewhere here. So this is 90-degree rotation. After that, it will be somewhere here. After that, it will be somewhere here. So you can see 90-degree, 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 90-degree. Which one I need? I need only 90-degree. Wahad marra, yani only this. This is my jawab. All these kanun, by the way, this is a rotation. So I'll write it here. Rotation can be this way, can be this way. This is clockwise. This is anti-clock or counter clock. You can have tisane, 180, 270, 360. All these questions are rotation. By the way, you can also find kanun. You can write transformation rules. So if you do that, this is function, this is rotation, kanun. Yes, it should come here. So these are kanun for rotation. And in same ways, if I write translation, I will find the kanun right here. But I think these kanun I have given you pretty much clearly, so you don't need it on Google. But still, this is here. So these are rules for translation. And the first one is the reflection. That is pretty much clear. Again, I will just paste kanun, but I'll I'll see at the end. Right now, if I keep doing it, it'll take a lot of time. So let's move on. Reflection. Same thing. Now, what is glide reflection? So if you see this word, glide reflection yani more than one change. So copy and reflect the figure S in line M, then line P. So if I reflect it here, oval, it will look like this. Let's do it. It will look something like this. And then if I reflect it again across P, it should look something like this. So there are two reflections. One is here and one is here. So 2 times. So this will be your metal SPSQ. SQ, let's say SUV. SUV. This is your USV dash. And the third one would be S double dash V double yani tani marra. So awwal marra yani wahid dash, tani marra yani ithnain dash. If there is something else up down, you will do talata dash. So glide reflection yani more than one change. Same thing. Now line of symmetry. Line of symmetry yani how, like this one has one line of symmetry. This one has wahid, ithnain, talata, arba, khamsa, khamsa. This one has no, because if you divide it like this, it's not same. Or if you divide it like this, not same. So now it says find the, this is very important now, Shubham, because I think question on this must come. 6 trigonometric ratios, who can tell me that? Sitta trigonometric ratios.
Sine and the cosine and the tan.
Yes, absolutely correct. Good job. So I'll just copy it from Google because that will be easier. Okay, let me see. Sofka. Straight away.
Mr. Send this file after, huh?
Yes, I will. So these are 6 trigonometric ratios. You already know about them. We have discussed them like 1,000 times. Sohka Toa. Actually, I'll just share this file right away. But don't write on it. Forms about. Okay, so here we have. So here we have 6 trigonometric ratios. I have given you a link on Microsoft Teams. If you click on that, you will be on this file, but you don't need it right now because I'm sharing my screen. So 6 trigonometric ratios, you need to find values. Mithal, I'll just solve one of them. So let's have a look at our wall. Now I told you this is theta, yani angle, yani Mithal x. This side is called opposite. The bigger side, aks to tisane, is called hypotenuse, h. And the akhar one is called adjacent, A. if you want to find, so the biggest side is hypotenuse and the other two are small. I want to find a small side. So to find a small side, I will do big, nagis, small, because A maafi malum, O malum, H malum. So I'll do H nagis O. Tarbiyat nain, jadar. This will give me A. Al-hasba, you will get jawab. Khamsa. Yani this side is Khamsa. Now, talata sides, all three values malum. So you can use soh ka toa. Soh yani sine, ka yani cosine, toa yani tan. So sine yani O taksim H. So kah toa. O is 12, H is 13. A is 5. So I told you, if you find sine, then it's very simple. So this is very important. And then you can find everything else very quickly. Metal, Tanash, you have used here. Tanash, you have used here. So now you can use Khamsa here. Okay, and then tan would be even simpler. It's sine, taksim, cosine. Now what is aks of sine? It's cosec. What is aks of cosine? It's sec. So all you have to do is tahat fok tahat. I hope that's clear. So if someone, though there were no questions, but if someone says find cosec, you will do aks of sine. If someone says find sec, you will do aks of cosine. Aks. If someone says find tan, you will do aks of. Someone says find cot, you will do aks of tan. Yani tahat fok tahat. So these are talata. These are talata. So all these questions are same. This one is same, but now what you have here is opposite, and you have H. So which kanun has opposite and H? O and H? Soh ka or toa? Again. أتكلم ثاني مرة حبيبي. Which kanun has O and H? الصن. يعني sin X يساوي, this is O تقسيم H. So O يعني 5, H يعني 10. Now how to find X? You will take sine here. So if you take sine there, it will become X يساوي sin X. X يعني سالب 1 تربيع 5 تقسيم 10. How do you write this on Al-Hasba? So shift 5 تقسيم 10. Now it has to be an angle. As you can see, it should be around 30 or 20 or 40. It cannot be 90. This angle X is not 90. It's not 0. It's not 0.9. So Mithal, if I get 30, it's okay. But if I get something like this, it's ghalat, because this is not jawab. 0.5 angle is very small. It's like this. Yes.
Do again.
On Al-Hasba or?
Yes, Al-Hasba.
Tamam. I will do again. I'm showing you something. See, I write this like shift sine this 5 تقسيم 6 يساوي I'm getting this جواب or 50 sorry 5 تقسيم 10. This جواب okay but this is pi يعني radians. If I do SD I'm getting this. Is this correct جواب? No, because it cannot be 0.5. So يعني it's غلط, something is wrong. What is wrong is this. It says R radians, but I need my jawab in degree. This daira on 4 yani degree, maafi pi. So to change I will do shift setup 3 yani degree 4 yani radians. هذا degree يعني 3 يساوي. Now I am getting 30. So 30 is correct jawab. مثال here I have opposite H माफी मालूम A मालूम. So opposite and A यानी TOA. So you can do X يساوي tan X O تقسيم 8. You will get jawab. So all these questions are same. Co-terminal angle, Shabab, remember this. How to find this? I think again one easy question should come. Co-terminal यानी you will do زائد ناقص 360 or you will do زائد ناقص 2 pi. خلاص simple. يعني 50 زائد 360 and you will do ناقص 360. When you do زائد you will get 410 جواب. When you do salib, you will get salib 310 jawab. So these are co-terminal, like co-pilot. Yani this is 50 410 or salib 310. This one will be clockwise, sorry, like this. So 310 yani same terminal side. 410 يعني 360 زائد 50. It's like this. 360 زائد 1 second. This is زائد يعني counterclockwise. So 360 يعني this much زائد 50. Same side. This is. So co-terminal yani same terminal side. So I hope this is clear. Simply have to do زائد 360 ناقص 360 if you see this word co-terminal. This is pi. Pi yani you will do زائد 2 pi ناقص 2 pi. خلاص. But this is not co-terminal. This question talks about change to radians and change to degrees. So 330 Shabab, is this degree or is this radian?
Degree.
Assan, because maafi pi. So if it's degree, awwal you will write pi. Fog. Tahat you will write 180. When you solve it on al-hasba, you will get this. How to write pi on al-hasba? So you will choose this 330 darb shift this one taqseem 180. If it's 5 pi by 6, this is radians. Now awwal fog you will write 180 because it's radians 2 degrees and then you will write pi. This is degree 2 radians. يعني مثال in this one you will write 180 أول فوق تحت باي. ليش؟ because pi will cancel. الحاسبة basically will get جواب. So all these are same. Remember basic قانون here that pi يساوي 180 and 2 pi يعني الدائرة يساوي 360. Okay. They want you to find this. So they want you to find this. This is called length of arc. Length of arc يعني ACB is theta يعني this angle تقسيم 360 ضرب length يعني circumference. It's like a pizza piece. So if there is a piece of pizza, this is 90 out of 360. So same logic you will apply. Theta يعني 90 هذا 90 ضرب 2 باي R يعني 2.4. This is R. الحاسبة you will get جواب. تسعين تقسيم 360 2 pi 6/5 pi. So it's length, so it should not be in degrees, it should be in radius. And you can see it's 6/5 pi. If they ask you for رقم this الحاسبة.
Yes, الحاسبة.
See this هذا 90 تقسيم 360 فوق ضرب 2 shift pi ضرب 2.4 ساوي.
Okay, thank you.
So you can see that how to write pi is shift this will give you pi. All right, so all these questions will be similar. You see, it's Talatamiya 7.2, somewhat similar. This is about length of sorry, excuse me. This is about length of arc. Length of arc, this is the kanun. This is the rule. Okay, so length of arc is same, everything same. Now, what is the area? So to find the area of triangle, if it's a Mafi Tisane, you see there is no angle Tisane here. So it is, if you have something like this is A, B, C. Yani hada X is A, this is C, this is B. So the kanun is half darb A darb B darb sine C. Yani if you see this is side A, this is side B, and this is angle C. So it should always be like this, Shiva. This is A, this is B, this is C. Between the sides, it should not be like this. This is A, this is B, this is C. Yani galat, no, you cannot do it. It has to be here. See, if this malum, yani you can. So all I have to do is use this kanun here. Half.
Again, mister?
If you have a triangle,
Yes.
this you know, and this you know. Can you use this kanun? La. Lesh. Because this angle should be malum. It should be between two sides. It's like V and then angle in between.
Three angle all have to be there, right, Mister, to use this qanun?
Not all. 1 minute. Let me try again.
So the angle
It
must
should
be
between
the,
two sides.
known area.
It should be between two
Okay.
sides. And if it's A, B, it has to be here. If you have like this, A malum, B malum, C malum, galat. If you have like this, A malum, B malum, C malum, galat. It has to be set here. If you have like this, A malum, B malum, C malum. Okay.
Thank you, Mr. I can continue.
Welcome. Whoa. No. Okay, so you have half A, B sine C. So you will, this might come. It's pretty easy, so I don't know if they will give it, but could be. So 6 darb 5 darb sine 45. Khalas, you will get jawab. But remember, your calculator must be in degree. So see, if I write it now, actually, let's try. So if I write half darb 6 darb 5 darb sine 45. So it's in degree mode. I'm getting jawab. Ashra. Sounds like okay. Let's try changing it to radians. Let's see what happens. I'm getting 12. So to check this, I can try just the value of sine 45. Let's see. So sine 45 is half, yani I should get 0.5. Right now I'm getting 0.8. Lesh. It's not half actually, it's 1 by root 2. Don't know why is it showing. So wait. ST. Actually this, let's say sine 30, that's half. So that will be much clearer. So sine 30. I'm getting half. If I change it to radians, I'm getting galat jawab. Yani, if this is theta, your calculator must be in degree mode. If this is pi, you can have it in radian mode. So this is degree and a degree mode. Khalas, simple. So sine 45 degree and a degree mode. Same, you will apply logic to every question here. You see this one, you have two angles and two sides. So which angle you should take? This one, because it's like A, B and C. So you will do half mane darb ashra darb sine 113. So what is this? This is kanun for area of triangle. This is the rule. Moving on. Exact value is very simple, boys. You don't have to do anything. You just need to take care of degree and radians. And if I do sine 210, I will get my jawab. This is in radians right now. So I need to check. This is R. You see this small thing. if I change it to degrees, it shows now D. It's very small, but now this is correct jawab because it's degrees, but cosine. So for this swallow wall, it has to be in degrees. Now let's check swallow name. If I write cosine 3 pi تقسيم 4, this is غلط jawab because it has to be in radians. So shift setup 4. This is correct jawab. For सवाल 3 cot, do you know what is the value of, can you write cot on calculator? Think about it. Can you write cot on calculator?
مستغذي tan -1.
Yes, Asant, whoever said that, I think you will naja. Inshallah. Cot is absolutely correct. It's ux of tan. Yani tan. It's not, you can write -1. You can write like this. This you can write on al-hasba and you will get jawab. So choose this. Wahad Taqsim.
Mister, what the calculator should be?
Now you tell me. This is 16. Degree or radians? 16 is degree or 16
Degree.
is radians? Assan.
Degree.
So shift mode 3. Khalas. Now see al-hasba shows me jadar 3 taqsim 3. Now sometimes in the jawab you will have wahad taqsim jadar 3. This is same. How? So see. 3 you can write like jadar 3 darb jadar 3. So 1 will cancel and you will have, and if you have ashra, you can write it jadar ashra jadar ashra. So sometimes you will see that on al-hasba you are getting mithal 3 jadar itnain. But jawab, sorry, not jadar itnain, let's make it, let's change something. So this is jadar itnain and itnain. But jawab is salib 3 taqsim jadar itnain. No problem, it's same. Tahat, you can write jadar itnain. Fog, same. Tamam. So don't get confused. If you have something like this, you can always write it like this. Now this one says find a positive and negative angle that are coterminal. Coterminal yaar same thing. Zaid Nagis, 3 में 16 or 2 pi. This one, if you need to find, do you need to find the area? No. I have to find the distance. Distance yaane, how much is this? So now you will use, can you use SOHCAHTOA? Yes or no? Think about it, Shabab. Can you use SOHCAHTOA or not? What do you think? Can you use SOHCAHTOA? No. Good. Because for this you need Tisane. Maafi Tisane. This is Sabin. So you will use law of cosine or law of sine. So this one is cosine. So if you remember, that is, this is A. So you will say A tarbiya ithnain sawi. This is the Qanun Shabab. So A maafi malum. تربية اثنين هذا يمين يعني جذر. B you can take any value 540 520 زائد 338 باور 2 ناقص 2 ضرب 520 338. طب what am I saying? 338 cosine A यानी angle 7 and
Mr.
yes,
Can I use
Yes.
the square a square plus b square to find the missing?
No, because again that is so good question. Can I use, that's called Pythagoras theorem. Can I use Pythagoras theorem? No, because for
Yes.
Pythagoras theorem also you need Tesen. So SOHCAHTOA, Pythagoras, for both you need a 90-degree triangle. Is this 90 degree? No, this is 70 degree. Okay,
That I cannot use a sign because
it's Mafi Tesen.
the
You cannot,
what?
because there is no 90
Why
degree.
can't I use the law of sine?
Because, the law of sine. We will see. I will tell you that. 1 minute.
Yes.
Okay. So if I write this on Al-Hasba, I will get straight away jawab. It should be in degrees because 7 is degree. So you start with Jadar and then you write 520 تربيع 2 زائد 338 power 2 minus 2 times whatever. Just write everything and khalas. So the question is why? So can we use sine rule? Let's see. Now see, sine rule is sine A over A. I need to find, so I need to find side here. So I will keep side 4. A over sine A, Sawi B over sine B, Sawi C over sine C. I can use any two. So if I say, Metal, this is A, because this is small a. This is B and this is C. So this side is A, this side is B, and this side is C. Now let's try. A, maafi malum, sine sub n, no problem. B, 338, Taksim, any other angle malum? No. This one, you don't know. This one, you don't know. So this is 2. C, यानी 520. Angle C malum? La. So now, can I solve anything? No, because I don't know this. I don't know this. I don't know this.
Mr.
Yes.
But if I do cross multiplication,
You will not be able to
it
solve
wouldn't
it.
work?
No, it will not work. Because see, Metal, I take these two, okay? Because they are same, kind of. So it will be A sine B Isawi 338 sine 70. Now, Metal, this gives you Matlan 20. So now you don't know A and you don't know angle. So 2 variables, maafi malum. Yani this maafi malum, this maafi malum. Can you solve it? No. Can you solve this?
So
X, Y is how we... So, 1 minute.
Okay, thank you.
I'll explain what you need actually. So, 1 minute. Where is sine rule? Sine rule. Not this. These are all cosine rule. So, law of cosine. Well, okay, I'll explain here. So for sine rule, what do you need? So if you want to use sine rule, you need 2 angles, 100%, and 1 side. It should be like this.
But I need one of the angles to be on the opposite of the side.
Exactly. So Metal, this is Khamsa, this is 30. Very good. This is 50 and this is x. So I can apply sine rule. If you have, this is 5, this is 30, this is 6 and maafi malum. This is 2 sides, 1 angle. I can use sine because angle and side are aks. So these are 2 conditions where I can use sine. Now when can I use cosine? So there are 2 conditions for cosine also. One is if you know all 3 sides, and 5, 7, 6, and you need to find angle. You can use. In this case, I'll tell you a shortcut. You write x isawi cosine x. Which side is x to x? 7. So أول 7 تربيع 2 بعدين ناقص 5 تربيع 2 بعدين ناقص 6 تربيع 2 تحت -2 ضرب 5 ضرب 6. If you do this, you will get jawab. So what I did here, I rearranged this rule. Like a يساوي cosine x, a تربيع 2 ناقص b square ناقص c square تحت this. I'm not doing it because it will not make you understand anything as of now. But this is a shortcut you can use. So if I know all 3 sides, I can use cosine. If I know 2 sides and the angle between them, I can use cosine. If I know 2 sides and maafi malum, I need some other angle. I have some other angle. I have to use sine. I hope this is slightly clear. So all these questions are same law of cosine, sine. What is the key here? You look for, like, you have 2 sides and angle between them. So use cosine. Moving on, now comes something which will come on imtihan 100%. So before we do this, look at, okay, wait, I think I have, oh, that's, we just copy paste something for you. Period. Perfect. Same thing. This is very extremely important. So, and very easy also. Come on, what's wrong with this? Well, it is there. Uh-oh. Well, I'll just leave it here. Perfect. So, Shabab, this is Kanun, what you can see here. If you have, what is period first of all? Period यानी when you repeat same to same, and after that same to same, same to same. So if I go like this, so start from here, then here, then here. So this is how period is there. Now if you look at the first question, I start from here and I go to here, and then I start and I go same, same, same. So what is the period of a sine curve, Mithal? This. أول فوق ثاني تحت خلاص بعدين فوق تحت خلاص. So if you have to find the period of this graph, let's say you start from, I don't know, this one is not clear, but let's see. This is half of 2, that is 1. This is half of that, that is 1.5. بعدين 2, this is 3, and this is 3.5. And what is the period? Mithal, this one is 5. This one is 7. So this is 5.5. So the period is from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, which is 7.5. So يعني 3.5 ناقص 1.5 يساوي 2. This is the period. What is the period of this one? So that one is pretty simple, from 0 4 pi, yani from here to here, 4 pi. So when the graph is given, it's pretty simple, easy. But like this one, what is the period? So I'm not going to solve all of them, but I'll just show you this to this. What is the period here? From this to, I think, this, and then this. Or you can say, you can also say from here to here, it depends. Same. What is the period? So from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. Plus, moving on. So all these are same. This Qanun is very important. I will show you what this is. 1 minute, Control C. This value, what is arc, Shabab? So if you see this word arc, I think it will come one question, because every year there is one to see if you know this or not. Arc yani aks. So you write this on Al-Hasba, you will get jawab. Whenever you see arc yani aks. Write this, you will get jawab. Shift tan jadar talada. Let's see what happens if I change it to radians, no change. If I change it to degrees, no change. So inverse trigonometry, this is where you have to, you see every other question already has aks. If you see arc yani aks. This one again, we have done this. Take tan here, it becomes tan aks. Now this has to be, I think, in radians, because jawab doesn't have degree. Alhain. So see, you can always figure out if it's correct or not. Shift tan 75. It's in degree, so that looks correct. Let's try radians. This is galat, because you are finding theta. Theta is angle. 1 degree angle, yani it's like this, very small. You need some angle. So because your jawab is in degree, the calculator should be set to degree. All of them. You can always try both and see which one is correct. This question, I think it should come. Shabab, just give me a minute. I'll be back. I just need to get a water bottle. So just 1 minute, sabr. Or take a break of 2 minutes. We'll meet in 2 minutes. 2 minutes, sabr. All right, so I hope you guys are back as well. If you were out, welcome back. So we are looking at values now, exact values, how to find them. First thing, we'll use SOHCAHTOA here, and we will use one more thing. If you remember, I taught you add sugar to coffee. Or you can say all science teaches crazy. Don't tell them. So all A yani kullu sitta trigonometric ratios zayed. So all zayed. S yani sine, T yani tan, C yani cosine. So sine is zayed here, tan is zayed here, cosine is zayed here. Now what do I mean by here? So this is Tisane. That will be wrong representation. This is Tisane. This is Sifr. This is Mia Tamanin. This is Methane Samain. This is Talatamia 16 or Sifr. So Tisane yani pi by 2. This yani 2 pi. This yani I think 5 pi by 2. Let me just cross check. So 2 pi plus pi by 2. That is so. And by then you have 2 pi. 3 pi by 2. I'll try changing it to radians. So أول باي تحت 180 3 9 مرة 3 6 مرة 3 2 مرة 3 3. So 3 pi by 2, not 5 pi. See, that's how you can check how to change. And this is 2 pi. So now this is from Sifr to Tisane. Very important. because it tells you about quadrant. This is called quadrant واحد, this is called ثاني اثنين, this is ثلاثة, this one is أربعة. It always goes like this. Cosine theta, so soho kaha. Yani this is A, this is H, this is ثلاثة, and this is خمسة. So I'll make a triangle. Tisane, because so katua. This is theta. So opposite to theta is O. This is A, this is H. A يساوي ثلاثة. H يساوي خمسة. How do I find O? How do I find O?
Five minus 3.
Very good. Someone is ready for imtihan. That makes me really good, happy. Who's that, by the way? Who answered? Who gave the jawab, Shubham? Muhammad Ahmad. Mumtaz. So, how find the missing side? So the missing side is small. This is big. So you can do O Isawi big, Nagis small. Jadar. Tarbiyatnain. When you do that, you will get. Now I need to find what? Cosec. Cosec yani it's ux of sine. So I will find sine theta. So opposite yani arba taksim khamsa. So cosec theta is ux of this, yani khamsa taksim arba. I'll show you one more. That will help. So method swal ashra. Now, by the way, what is the ishara? So from sifr to tisane, all of them are zayed. Yani jawab should be positive. Mithal, if it's in quadrant 2, yani between tisane and miyatamanin, sine is zayed, yani cosec is also zayed, ux of sine. So it will be zayed. If it's between miyatamanin and mitheno sabain, yani talata, then cosec will, this jawab will be nagis. If this is arba, then the jawab will be nagis, fourth quadrant. So from 180 to 360, it's nagis. From sifr to miyatamanin, it's zayed. Now see tani marra, sine. So sine half. So you will make a right angle triangle. This is theta. Opposite yani wahad and H yani 2. You will find O big minus small. So A isawi jadar tarata. Now what I need to find? Tan theta. So you will say tan theta isawi sohukah toa. So toa wahad taksim jadar talata. No need to write any sign. If they say find theta, then you can do theta isawi tan ux. But they don't want theta here. They just want tan theta. So it's jawab, no problem. In quadrant wahid, yani if it's tisane, sifr to tisane, it's zayed. Tisane to miya tamanin, sine is zayed, so tan is nagis. Miya tamanin to mitheno sabin, tan is Zayed and 270 to 360 tan. Cosine is Zayed, so tan will be Naqis. So Al-Hin, no need to change. But if they give you a range, then you can deal with it according to that. Yes. Okay. Any questions till now? See, like Mia Tamanin to Miteno Sabain. Yani now, here, only tan will be Zayed and cot. Everything else will be Naqis. Here, cosine and sec Zayed, everything else Naqis. So very important. This is the rule. So all these questions are same. Now the last thing for today, and then we will stop. Yes. Simplification. That is the most difficult thing, and at least 1 or 2 questions will come from here 100%. So what you need first of all is trigonometric images. Pythagorean identities. So no. This one has everything. No, this one doesn't have everything, but it has something. So none of them is like complete, but they all have one thing missing at least. Wait, let me try searching. If I give you the big one, it will have extra rules, and I'm trying to avoid that. Yes. Actually, I'll just take all of them. I'll just tell you what you don't need as such. Actually, you will need all of them, but I'll just tell you what is most important and easy to remember for most of you. So. Oh, come on, why is it not going up? One second, boys. Okay, so these are all the rules. You don't need all of them, but I'll just tell you which ones are most important. If you remember all of them, best. If you don't, still okay, you will survive. So this is very important, very important, very important. And yeah, majorly these three are the most important ones. So I'll put a triple tick there. Then these ones are like double tick. Yani need them. Hopefully you don't need these. You don't need these. You hopefully will not need this, and you hopefully will not need this. Hopefully. You might need this. You might need this. So majorly we are dealing with this, and then maybe this and this. This one. Okay, so you can remember them as per your convenience, but okay. Let's have a look how to solve questions. So the first question, Mithal, there are two parts, 1, 2. What is same in both? Sec theta Shubham. It's like you have Ashra Dirham, I have Ashra Dirham, so I can take Ashra. So Mudir can take Ashra from me, Ashra from you. Yani how much? Ashra could. I mean Ashri, but yeah. So here you can take sec theta common out. So what is remaining? Awal tan. Tani sec theta module, sec theta take. Yani wahid. Now is there a kanun like this? It's right here. So that is Isawi. It's from Pythagorean identities. That is Isawi sec square theta. Tarbiyatnain theta. It's like x tarbiyatnain darb x. Yani tarbiyat alada. Khalas, that's your jawab. Now Mithal, this one, now it goes here. So in Kitab you have these examples. So cosine pi by 2 minus theta, yani here, Isawi sine theta. So this is pi by 2, yani you change. So if you have, I'll try to make it show you easier for you if you understand this. What is stuck here? Yeah, see. If when you have pi by 2, yani change. So sine changes to cosine. Cosine changes to sine, obviously. Tan changes to cot. And cot obviously changes to tan. Sec changes to cosec. And or cosec changes to sec. When you have pi by 2, then it changes. So you see, this is the simple explanation of this Sitta Kanun. If you have cosine, change it to sine and same angle. Then you write cot theta. Cot theta, yani where do you have cot? So I told you 1 dirham for us is sine and cosine. Now if you see this rule, this is like cosine taksim sine isawi cot. So I will use this rule. I will change cot to cosine theta taksim sine theta. Tahat for cancel. Jawab. Mithal here. Maafi malum. Cot and sec. There are two things. So I change cot into this and sec into this. Change everything to sine cosine because that's basic unit. So cot is cosine theta taksim sine theta. Sec is wahid taksim cosine theta. Cosine cancel. It's wahid taksim sine theta, which is cosec theta. So first you need to see the kanun and use the kanun. Like this is sine, pi by 2, this will change to cosine. Sec theta from the kanun will change to this. Cancel wahid. So all these questions will need such things. Now something like proof. So I have pasted Kanun here. Let's see how can we use them. There we go. So you can solve both sides because you need to verify. Verify यानी you do whatever you want, but you just get the jawab. So maybe I can cross multiply, take it fog. So वाहद ज़ायद tan theta सावी sec theta यानी वाहद तकसीम cosine theta. And बादें you write this same. Then I can do and I can take this darb. So sine theta taksim cosine theta. Cosine theta taksim cosine theta. This is wahid. So now from here I get sine theta taksim cosine theta zayed wahid. This is a kanun here. This is tan theta. Now this is wahid zayed tan theta, that is tan theta zayed wahid. Yani they are same. So you will say left hand side hisab. That's how you mean proved, verified. See, like this one, maybe it looks mushkil, so we can just akhir sawal, then I will stop. So you can do this, darb this. So there is a kanun shabab. There are 3 kanun actually which you should know at any point in your life in maths. Whole square you should know all of them, but I will just show you the basic ones. So these are square, same way as there are cube kanun also, but if you know square you are okay. So okay. These are 3 kanun. Alhen, if you see here, this darb that is like a plus b and a minus b. So here is the kanun which I can use. Yani tarbiyatne nagis tarbiyatne sawi 2 sine square theta nagis wahid. Now you can see 2 sine, so this is straight away kanun sine 2 theta. This is also kanun sine 2 theta. So you can say LHS Isawi RHS. Where is this kanun? This kanun is right here. Wait. Sorry boys, one mistake. I need to change it. Actually, you don't need to prove it as a kanun. I'll just show you something. Now, you can write cosine theta as 1 minus It's going to be mushkil, Shabab, either ways for you to understand, but I will try. Look, this is 2 sine square theta minus 1. Here you have 2 sine square theta, but it's not minus 1, it's 1 minus. And it's like Hisar, human Hisar kind of thing. So you can take a minus common. When you take a minus common, everything inside becomes aks ishara. Same here, you can take minus common, which I will do in next step. So if you take minus common, you will get cosine square theta nagis sine square theta aks. And here you already have 1 minus 2 sine square theta. You can cancel. It's like darb salib wahad both sides. This is a kanun. This is same kanun. So you can say now that LHS is RHS. And where is this kanun? It's right here. So you should know how to use these kanun even if you have a printed sheet. All these questions are similar. Exact value, whenever you see this word exact value, yana you simple put it in calculator, find jawab. So take al-hasba because that's very important. So the link of this sheet is given on your chat. If you click on this, it will take you to web view like this. And it'll take you to this sheet basically. It'll take some time to load, but it will be there. I hope that's clear. So, Masalam Shabab, enjoy. One sec. I'll share it on Teams again. Okay. Take care, boys. Masalam. All the best.